In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add objects to an image in Adobe Express. So here are just some examples. I had to play around with it earlier. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this in different scenarios for different images. So what you need to do is go to Adobe Express. Now this is Adobe's Canva competitor, and they have AI tools and allow you to add objects. Now you can do this for free. So just go to Adobe Express, type it in on Google, then create a free account. Once you're here, click on Generate with AI. That will then give you the options. We're looking for Insert Objects, so click on that. Now it's going to ask you to upload an image or a picture, so I'm just going to upload a random JPEG file. We'll choose this one, then we'll click Open. I'm not actually sure what this image is, but we'll go with it anyway. Okay, so here we have the beach, we have the ocean. So what seems reasonable to add here is going to be a boat or maybe a yacht. So let's see if we can add a yacht. So then you need to describe what you'd like to see. So I'm going to create a prompt right now. Actually, on second thought, I think the water's a bit too shallow for a yacht, so we'll add someone kayaking on this. So this is the prompt I've gone with. Add someone kayaking on this water, orange kayak, realistic. You then need to go ahead and brush the area. Using this brush, you can adjust the brush size. You need to brush the area you want to obviously add this image. So I'm going to just brush around here. And obviously if they're kayaking, it's going to be a person standing up. So we're going to see what happens if I just kind of like brush this whole area. Now, I guess you need to work out the perspective and the size that this person will be. I'm not 100% sure if it uses this area exactly or it just uses it as a reference. But nonetheless, we'll click Insert and we'll see what it can do. Oh, that's pretty good. So here you can see it's now added the person kayaking and it's actually done a very good job. Now you can zoom into your image by going to this in the top right hand corner. You can zoom in to any percentage, or if you hold Control, you can zoom in and out. You can see they've done a pretty decent job of this. It also gives you some other options you can choose. It remembered the prompt and it remembered to make it an orange kayak. And if you're unhappy with them, you can generate more in the future. So click Generate More and it will then generate them. So I'm actually going to go with the first one for this. I think the first one is the best one. So click on the one you like, then click Keep. And then what you can do is you can download your image. So now we'll close out of that. And now we can just click Download, download as PNG. And there you go. We've now downloaded it. And that is basically all you need to do to add anything to your images with AI.